Where is the crease? This is our look at the new OPPO Find N6. Good day, you beautiful people. In today's video, we're talking about OPPO's newest foldable. This is the OPPO Find N6, which OPPO just announced today. In fact, I'm in China for the launch today. But yeah, in this video, we're gonna take a look at this phone. We're gonna check out the new features. And let me tell you, there are a bunch of fun ones on this. But before anything else, let's backtrack to the unboxing. Did they finally do it? Is this finally a foldable with no crease? Let me tell you, it really does feel that way. No gimmicks. When you run your fingers through the screen, you won't feel that crease at all. As early as now, I can tell you that this is the best crease I've seen on a Foldy. And I know because I actually put them side by side. So yeah, you barely feel the crease, no matter what the angle. Although I will say that sometimes you do notice that it's still there. Though I reiterate that with touch, like that's barely anything. And this is still so satisfying to close. Outside of the crease though, what does the OPPO Find N6 have? For starters, this is powered by a flagship Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. This sleek thing reps a 6,000 mAh battery with 80-watt SuperVOOC and 50-watt AirVOOC, and they bumped up one of the rear cameras into a 200-megapixel Hasselblad shooter. More on those cameras later on in the video. It comes in two colors, stellar titanium that I have and a blossom orange. Now let me give you a closer look at this phone. So again, folded, it really does feel like a normal candy bar phone. It's so thin and sleek. On the back, you get those 4 cameras and that camera bump. And yes, the camera bump is in the middle, so this will lie flat and level on any surface. Now, I do have the stellar titanium, which is a nice matte back. It's not pink, but it's a good, neat look as well. I dare say I like this color better than the orange. You have a flash on the corner there, and then on the side you have the power key up there, and that's programmable. Actually, right now it's set to do AI Mindspace, so whatever is on the screen, it analyzes and saves. This sort of works like that popular feature we think in this channel first saw as the essential space and the essential key on the Nothing phone. But yeah, it basically will curate all the stuff here and you'll be able to recall it with AI. Now, still on that side, you have your volume rocker and your unlock button. Compared to the previous Find N, the button placements were adjusted and now like they're more easily reachable. I love that. I love a brand who listens. And at the bottom, you get your speaker grills, USB-C, your SIM tray, and yes, this is a 2 SIM card slot. You have your sleek hinge, and let's show you how that looks opening from this angle. Again, look at that screen. And like I said, that really does not feel like a crease at all anymore, although there are some angles where you can sort of see it. This is all because of OPPO's 2nd gen titanium flexion hinge, but it's not really just that. Basically, they did very precise 3D liquid printing on the hinge there to make sure that you get a flat surface feel. Like imagine 3D liquid printing, that's so freaking precise. And OPPO claims that that screen is also auto smoothing flex glass. All they're really saying is that the screen won't deteriorate as much as you use it and fold it throughout its lifetime. Again, a moment for how sleek this phone is, and that screen screen. Now, aside from all that, this thing is IP56, 68, and 59 rated, so it's the highest rating we've gotten on an OPPO Foldy. It also has level 5 dust protection. Now, up front, that's a 6.62-inch 120Hz LTPO display. I mean, that is pretty responsive. It looks good. Unfolded, that's an 8.12-inch 120Hz display. And as you can tell, it's also like very fast and snappy. It looks good. Imagine watching your videos on this. All in all, this phone feels very nice in hand, very premium, very sleek, very well designed. Now, in terms of camera, OPPO put in a very powerful set here. On the rear, you get a 200-megapixel Hasselblad main shooter. You get a 50-megapixel wide, which OPPO claims lets in 50% more light. You get a 50-megapixel periscope camera that can do 6 times optical zoom and 120 times digital zoom, which is also a macro camera, by the way. And finally, you get a true color camera, which helps with the white balance data. Folded up front, that's a 20-megapixel selfie camera. And unfolded on that bigger screen, you also get a 20-megapixel camera. Both of those selfie cameras are able to do 4K video. Now, this phone also has a Hasselblad high-res mode, which gives you 200-megapixel images. There's a Hasselblad master mode that allows you to do auto or pro shooting, and this mode has presets, or you can even create your own. Now, I know this video is just our first look, but I've been shooting with this phone for the past week or so, and thus far, I've been impressed with the camera so far. Quite specifically, video on this phone has looked so good. Stay tuned for my vlog test. I will be vlogging with this phone here in China at the launch event. But yeah, these Hasselblad cameras so far are no joke. Now, what I love about the OPPO Find N series is just how good multitasking is on this big screen. You can basically put in 3 apps on here and adjust them depending on your liking, and it's so easy to switch between these apps. You can even do floating windows, adjust the size of those windows, and switch out apps so easily. We had the same multitasking system on the Find N5, and it's still so good on this. But what I'm most excited for with N6 is this. It's not just any typical case. This is the OPPO AI Pen, and all you really need to do is put that case on here, connect the pen, and now you can scribble away on this big screen. With that button on the pen, there are so many different functionalities. For example, you can circle to capture anything on your screen, and from there you get a host of options. You also get this tool palette with many different pen options, and a double tap on the button switches your tool easy. And then a quick shortcut swiping from the upper right side gives you this quick note situation. It's just so useful, and this works even with the front screen of your phone. But that's not actually the best part about this pen. My favorite feature ever is how this pen works as a remote shooter with the press of a button. So imagine the possibilities. With this form factor, you can flip and do this, and now I can walk away, frame my shot because I have a preview, use the rear cameras, which are the best cameras on this phone, and with the press of a button, keep taking my own photos. With every foldable that I've tested out thus far, I take the phrase "no crease very lightly. In every video I've ever made on a foldy, I always say somewhere along the lines of how there is and always will be a crease on foldable phones because that's just how folding things work. But I dare say that on the OPPO Find N6, this is the closest we've gone. This is the closest I've seen personally, a foldable without a crease. And while sure, you can argue that there still are some angles where you can see that crease, to touch it with your hand and to feel it says otherwise. I mean, you guys know that I'm a flip girly through and through, but I dare say that this is my favorite book type foldable that I've ever tested out. That screen, that zero crease feel, just the sleek form factor, flagship processor, powerful cameras, and more on those cameras in another video. Plus the added capabilities of this OPPO pen and the remote selfies. Definitely the OPPO Find N6 tells me that the time has come for foldies where you get this new form factor, but minus the compromises that we used to have to get this bigger screen. Now, of course, these are just my initial impressions of the OPPO Find N6. I will have more videos about this phone. I will be vlogging with this throughout my trip in China. Let me know what other things you would want to see me try with this phone. If you want a camera vlog test or a social media test, comment down below. That's it for today. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's isadoes_ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Till next time.